we're starting proportions. I've already explained to you in our previous videos. So now when you look here, you can see A, B, C, and D, right? So they're in proportion. So one formula that you have to remember while we're doing is this formula, okay? Product of extreme equals product of mean. Mean means what? These two, right? The ones that are in the middle, right? They are known as means, and the first and the last A and D are known as extreme. Okay, so these are formula that I try to remember, right? Product of extreme, product means multiplication, right? Product of extreme, so what are two extreme? A and D, so A into D multiply. Product of mean, multiplication, right? Mean means B and C. Okay, this in short is simply like this, right? A by B equal C by D, and what are we doing? We're doing cross multiplication. This D will go up, this B will also go up. So I'll have here A into D, and then this side I'll have a B into C. All right. Now let's understand even continued proportion. So when you look here, there are four numbers here, right? A, B, C, and D. But when you look at continued proportion, it has only three numbers, right? So how do we say that the three numbers are in proportion or in continued proportion? So these are three numbers. Remember, you just have to repeat this 2 times. Clear? B 2 times. All right, so if I write this, it will look something like this, right? A by B equals B by C. And once you're done with that, you just have to do cross multiplication. This C will go up, even this B will go up. This is what I'll be having. B into B is B square, right? So B square equals AC. For continuous proportional, when they give you just 3, remember to use this. All right, let's do one question. 8.2. So there are two methods. We're doing it one after the other. Are 5, 25, 6, and 30 in proportion. So remember, this is your A, B, C, and D, right? So the first method, you have to compare the ratio of these two and then the ratio of these two. So 5/25 can be written as 5:25, right? And 5:25 means simply 5 by 25. 5 on the 5, 5 5s are 25. That is what I'm getting. Now compare the last two again. 6:30, which can be written as 6 by 30, or 6 1 and 6, 6 5s are 30. You get the same 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So since they're equal, we'll say that they're in proportion. Clear? And now the other one, we'll be using the formula, okay? Product of extreme. So when you look here, what are two extreme? A and D, right? So 5 and 30. So product of extremes, I have to multiply, right? So you can see 5 into 30. Product of means the middle two, right? C and D, what are they? 25 and 6. So you just have to multiply them. Are we getting the same? Product of extreme is equal to product of mean, right? So you can see here, since product of extreme equals product of mean, therefore they're in proportion. Simple as it, all right? Alright, so now our 5, 15, and 45 in continued proportion. So remember, just 3, right? So this is your A, B, and C. And according to the formula, I have to repeat this B 2 times, right? So you can see here, are said to be in proportion if A is to B equals B is to C. And like I said, remember the formula, B square equals AC, right? So you can see that our B is how much? B is 15, but B square, right? So 15 square, A is 5, so I've written C is 45. All right, so 15 square, when you multiply 15 2 times, you'll get 225, and when you multiply 5 into 45, you'll get again 225. Once again, you can see that left hand side equals right hand side. Therefore we can say that they're in continued proportion.